The best favepay payment routine starts with discipline, clarity, and controlled money flow. Favepay works best when it is treated as a transaction tool, not a storage wallet. Funds should move with purpose. The first step in a solid routine is loading only the amount needed for planned spending. This reduces impulse payments and keeps account balances intentional rather than emotional. Daily transactions should be grouped, not scattered. Instead of making multiple small payments throughout the day, allow purchases to accumulate and execute them in fewer, deliberate transfers. This improves tracking accuracy and minimizes confusion when reviewing transaction history. Every payment made should have a clear reason tied to either business, bills, or verified personal needs. For income inflow, favepay performs best when payments are received, confirmed, and moved out within a short window. Holding large balances increases exposure to errors and delays. A clean routine moves received funds into a primary bank account or savings destination once confirmed. This keeps favepay as a bridge, not a vault. When handling dollar-based payments, conversion awareness matters. Always verify the current exchange rate before initiating transactions. Small rate differences can quietly reduce value over time. Consistency and timing help stabilize outcomes, especially when receiving dollars frequently. Processing payments during predictable periods avoids unnecessary losses. Security is part of the routine. Enable all available verification layers and avoid public networks during transactions. Payment records should be reviewed daily, not occasionally. Any irregularity caught early prevents compounding issues later. The strongest favepay routine is simple, repeatable, and boring. Funds come in, transactions are executed with intent, balances are cleared, and records are checked. This approach keeps payments fast, transparent, and controlled, allowing favepay to function as an efficient payment channel rather than a financial risk point.